Grant access and manage your Salesforce environments in SimpleTranslate. In the Org Credentials section, you can manage your Salesforce environment connection and configure your environment pipeline to fit your specific needs. In SimpleTranslate, environments represent Salesforce sandboxes or production orgs. Credentials store your authentication details for secure connections. Each credential links to one Salesforce org and controls access permissions for retrieval and deployment. Create a new credential to connect your first Salesforce org. This enables seamless retrieval and deployment of translations. Enter a credential name matching your Salesforce org name and select the appropriate environment type. Confirm to create the connection. Granting access allows SimpleTranslate to securely connect to your Salesforce org and manage translations on your behalf. Your credential has been created and connected to your Salesforce org. Join with us in SimpleTranslate. The Org Credentials section lets you manage your Salesforce connections, control deployments, retrieve metadata and languages, and access the translation workbench. Here, you can retrieve languages or metadata from your Salesforce org and also deactivate the credential. Inactive environments can be filtered using the Inactive tab at the top of the list. Across SimpleTranslate, a deactivated credential cannot be used. Reactivate it the same way via the 3 dots. Environments let you control deployment settings, monitor active processes, and manage user permissions. Use Edit Environment to manage org deployability, restrictions, and statuses. Here you can set the org to deployable or not, check if it is deploying, retrieving, or translating, and check the active languages. Start by setting the org to not deployable. When an org is not deployable, users cannot deploy back to the Salesforce org. The status indicators show whether the org is currently deploying, retrieving, or translating. You can also manage deployment restrictions as needed. Additionally, you can grant specific users access to deploy, even when the org is not deployable. In the Deployment Permissions, select a user to grant deploy permission. Close the dialog when finished. Authorized deployers are saved automatically. Your Salesforce org is now restricted. Only authorized deployers can deploy in this org. You can change this the same way as shown. The 3-dot menu provides quick access to shortcuts and direct links to Salesforce org pages. Shortcuts to language settings, translation workbench, translation languages, an option to deactivate the environment. Use Workbench Translate to open it directly in your Salesforce org. You're in Translation Workbench in Salesforce. The Org Credentials section lets you manage settings and permissions. For more details, see our documentation. Join with us in SimpleTranslate.